Hello and welcome to the YouTube Healtigo channel, your go-to source for all things health and wellness. Today, we're talking about a topic that's often overlooked but can have serious consequences if left untreated: vitamin B12 deficiency. In this video, we'll be discussing the signs and symptoms of B12 deficiency that you should never ignore. What is vitamin B12? Vitamin B12, also known as cobalamin, is a water-soluble vitamin that plays a critical role in several important biological processes in the body. It is one of the essential vitamins that humans cannot synthesize and must obtain through dietary sources or supplements. Vitamin B12 is involved in the synthesis of DNA, the formation of red blood cells, and the proper functioning of the nervous system. It is also necessary for the metabolism of certain amino acids and fatty acids. B12 is unique among the B vitamins in that it contains a cobalt ion at its core, which is responsible for its biological activity. It is primarily found in animal-based foods such as meat, fish, and dairy products, although it can also be obtained through fortified cereals and supplements. Deficiency in vitamin B12 can lead to a variety of health problems, including anemia, nerve damage, and cognitive impairment. It is particularly important for individuals who follow a vegan or vegetarian diet to ensure they are getting enough B12 through fortified foods or supplements. Vitamin B12 plays an essential role in several metabolic processes in the body. One of its primary functions is in the metabolism of amino acids and fatty acids. It acts as a cofactor for enzymes involved in these processes, helping to break down and utilize these nutrients for energy production. Another important role of B12 is in the formation of red blood cells. It is necessary for the proper maturation of red blood cells, which are responsible for carrying oxygen throughout the body. B12 is also crucial for the proper functioning of the nervous system. It is involved in the formation of the myelin sheath, which surrounds and protects nerve fibers. Without enough B12, nerve function can become impaired, leading to neurological symptoms like numbness and tingling in the hands and feet, difficulty with coordination, and cognitive impairment. However, many people are at risk of developing a deficiency, including those who follow a vegan or vegetarian diet, older adults, and people with gastrointestinal disorders. Here are 7 main signs and symptoms of B12 deficiency that you should never ignore. What is the role of vitamin B12 in our metabolism? First, fatigue and weakness. Feeling tired and weak is a common symptom of B12 deficiency. This is because B12 is needed to produce red blood cells that carry oxygen throughout the body. Without enough B12, your body can't make enough healthy red blood cells, leading to anemia and fatigue. Second, numbness and tingling. Another common symptom of B12 deficiency is numbness and tingling in your hands and feet. This is because B12 is essential for the proper functioning of your nervous system. Without enough B12, your nerves can become damaged, leading to these unusual sensations. Third, memory loss and confusion. B12 deficiency can also affect your cognitive function, leading to memory loss and confusion. This is because B12 is needed for the proper functioning of your brain cells. Without enough B12, your brain cells can become damaged, leading to cognitive problems. Fourth, digestive issues. If you're experiencing digestive issues like diarrhea, constipation, or loss of appetite, it could be a sign of B12 deficiency. This is because B12 is absorbed in the intestines and digestive problems can interfere with its absorption. Fifth, pale or yellow skin. If you have pale or yellow skin, it could be a sign of B12 deficiency. This is because B12 deficiency can lead to a type of anemia called megaloblastic anemia, which affects the production of red blood cells and can cause skin discoloration. Sixth, depression and mood changes. B12 deficiency can also affect your mood and mental health. If you're feeling depressed, anxious, or irritable, it could be a sign of B12 deficiency. This is because B12 is needed for the production of neurotransmitters like serotonin and dopamine, which regulate mood. 7th, vision problems. See if you're experiencing blurred vision, double vision, or other vision problems. It could be a sign of B12 deficiency. This is because B12 is needed for the proper functioning of your optic nerve, which transmits visual signals from your eyes to your brain. Treatment of vitamin B12 deficiency. The treatment of vitamin B12 deficiency depends on the severity of the deficiency and the underlying cause. In mild cases, increasing dietary intake of B12-rich foods or taking B12 supplements may be sufficient to correct the deficiency. For individuals with more severe deficiency, or those who are unable to absorb B12 properly due to digestive disorders, injections of B12 may be necessary. Injections are typically given intramuscularly and can be administered by a healthcare professional or self-administered at home. It is important to work with a healthcare professional to determine the appropriate treatment for vitamin B12 deficiency, as untreated deficiency can lead to serious health consequences. Remember, if you're experiencing any of these symptoms, it's important to talk to your healthcare provider. They can perform a simple blood test to determine if you have a B12 deficiency and recommend appropriate treatment. And don't forget to subscribe to the Healtigo YouTube channel for more informative and educational videos on health and wellness.